Unlocking idioms in God's ears. Hello, wonderful learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard or read somewhere, in God's ears. We often come across expressions that don't seem to make much sense when we take them literally, and this is one of them. It's an idiom that carries more than what meets the eye, or, should I say, the ear. So, if you're ready to add another interesting phrase to your English repertoire, stay tuned. When someone says, in God's ears, they are expressing a wish or hope that what they've just said will come true. It's almost like saying, I hope God has heard my wish and will make it happen. This phrase acknowledges a higher power's role in influencing the outcome of events, reflecting a blend of hope, faith, and superstition that is common in many cultures and languages. For example, if someone says, I hope to pass my English exam, in God's ears, they're essentially wishing for their success to be heard and supported by a divine force. The exact origin of the phrase, in God's ears, is not clear, but it can be understood as stemming from religious practices where believers pray to a deity and hope their prayers are heard. The concept is widely seen in many religions where the deity is appealed to for help and blessings. In English, it taps into the common cultural notion that divine forces can influence our daily lives. This idiom is perfect for use in everyday conversation when you want to express a strong desire for something to happen, especially when it seems out of your control. You might hear it in contexts of personal goals, dreams, or even in casual talks about future events that one is particularly hopeful about. Here are a few examples. May we all live to see a world of peace, in God's ears. Let's hope the weather stays nice for our picnic tomorrow, in God's ears. Remember, while the phrase is rooted in religious sentiment, it's often used by people in a non-religious context, simply as a way of emphasizing their hopes. In God's ears isn't just a phrase, it's a small window into the role that religion and spirituality play in language. It's a reminder that language is a reflection of culture, history, and collective hopes. By using such idioms, you're not just speaking English. You're weaving in the rich tapestry of human belief and emotion that adds depth to the language. I hope this video has been enlightening and that you've enjoyed exploring the meaning and use of the phrase, in God's ears. Now, you're all set to use it in your conversations to add a touch of hopefulness and faith in the future. Remember, learning a language is also about understanding the culture behind it, and idioms like this one are a perfect example. Happy learning, and may all your English endeavors be successful, in God's ears. See you in the next video.